Umshushisi wombuso uThami Mpekane ufunde incwadi efungelwe yomphenyi wecala oveze ukuthi uMokgotsi waqamba amanga encwadini yakhe efungelwe ayinika amaphoyisa. Ngokwesitatimende somphenyi, umbiko wokuhlolwa kwezinhlamvu endaweni yesigameko nomfanekiso we-CCTV uyakhomba ukuthi uMokgotsi uyena owadubula imoto ayeyishayela ngalolu suku athi wahlaselwa ngalo eVosloorus ngoLwezi nyakenye.
The forensic evidence report shows that the vehicle was stationary when it was shot. That all the rounds that hit the vehicle originate from the same place and direction from the left front of the vehicle, and that there was no person in the vehicle at the time it was shot.
Inkantolo izwe nokuthi uMokgotsi wazama ukufumbathisa umphenyi wecala ukuze umbuso ungasiphikisi isicelo sakhe sebheyili.
Is there something that I can do for you not to oppose my very close order? I immediately took offense as it was said to me in a context that I understand it to be an attempt to offer a bribe not to oppose his bail if there would be an opposing application. I told him immediately he must not even think of going that route with me.
uMokgotsi waphikile wonke amacala abekwe wona wathi awanasisekelo. Uzobuyela enkantolo ngoLwesine azofaka isicelo sebheyili.